This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Ocean City Tourism.
CoastLife this weekend, Ocean City is transforming in honor of the Martin Luther King holiday. You can expect live music, culture, and community. Dreamfest is here, and they have a lot of celebration going on, bringing everyone together. Here to tell us a little bit more about it, we have Tom Perlozzo here. He's the director of
Tourism.
Tourism.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing, Tom?
I am good. And, thanks for coming down to, share our great news about celebrating the legacy of Dr. King here in Ocean City. We're really excited about the weekend. I can tell you, we've got all kinds of things happening. Of course, we're going to celebrate with music.
Of course.
Here during, the time period that Dr. King was doing his thing out. And then, the businesses all have specials all weekend long, including some overnight stays here. So we'd encourage everyone to hop on our website, ococean.com. Find out more about Dreamfest and come down here and enjoy a great show with us.
Oh, for sure. We were talking a little bit about it. It sounds like it's a weekend really full of events. It sounds so much fun and very exciting. So tell me a little bit about how Dreamfest began and what made you guys bring it here to Ocean City.
I think, being the director of tourism, we're always looking to capitalize on some great opportunities. And we felt like the legacy of Dr. King wasn't being represented quite as well as we wanted here in our destination. Mm-hmm. So, why not do it on, the weekend where we have an extra holiday? We're all celebrating in the U.S. Dr. King. So we decided to tackle this and use music as the venue to drive tourism here. So, there's overnight specials, as I mentioned, dining specials. There's other, activities all throughout town that you can probably, piggyback on and enjoy. But, that's kind of how it was developed. The town decided that, this was an opportunity to welcome people to Ocean City. It didn't make any difference what your race was. We're just welcoming everyone to come down and enjoy a great weekend.
Yeah, I love that. That's actually beautiful. And it literally is the perfect weekend for it. Like you said, we're already after that holiday home. So now it's just time to have fun, bring in the new year with some new celebrations. And like you said, the long weekend, take full advantage of that. It's perfect.
Look, and if you're, like I said, if you want to come out and see the original Pointer Sisters, that's Thursday night. We're very excited about that. Friday night, we've got a great tribute to Motown with Shadows of the 60s. So really good. And then Saturday, we have the Evolution of Pop, which is kind of a younger set, which is, I'm really excited about. Lots of dancing in all three shows, great choreographed music. It's going to be something to see. You don't want to miss it. That's
awesome, Tom. I mean, it sounds like you have a lot to offer for a lot of different people. So who do you encourage to come out to see Dreamfest?
Well, you're never too young and you're never too old to enjoy this legacy that Dr. King has placed, in America. So, there's a little bit of everything for everyone. I think, I'm listening to the Motown music and I'm saying, then I hear remakes in a different generation. So, look, this is when, I'm going to say art was really true art. There wasn't AI, there wasn't any of that stuff going on. These guys worked and rehearsed and did all that, just like the working folks did back, in the 60s to get our nation right where it's at today.
Yes. I mean, I like how you're kind of bringing it back to the roots and just the original way of doing things.
Yeah.
So that's really cool.
And again, it was authentic. So again, we're trying to recapture the authenticity of what Dr. King in that time period was doing here in Ocean City. So excited.
It was very exciting. It was surely a simplistic way of living, but definitely more authentic, like you said, and how that shows up. So for people who are interested, where can they find you guys and check you out?
Well, it's really easy. It's go to our website, which is ococean.com and a / with PAC, PAC. And all of our shows will be listed here, but you can get tickets right there. You can get them online, or you can show up right here at the Convention Center, 7 p.m. Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays when the show starts. Come down and enjoy dinner, go to the show, get energized, and let's celebrate Dr. King.
That's awesome. I couldn't have put it better myself. Let's just have a good time, celebrate Dr. King. Thank you so much, Tom, for coming on today.
Thank you guys for coming down. Really appreciate you getting the word out for us.
Of course, anytime. CoastLife, you definitely have to come check this out. It sounds like just a full weekend of fun, celebration, and community. You really can't beat that. And Ocean City just has so much fun to offer. But you know what else has a lot of fun to offer? It's CoastLife, so stick around.